Kinyaka wena Feni Ashebe, sit down and listen to this video until the end so that you can understand that nobody hates Shebe shit. This is how law is. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Today we're gonna be talking about the controversial Likompo artist, most successful, most popular Shebe shit, who is in custody because of some offenses that he has made. That was his decisions and they stick. So Shebe's shit, I think he was apprehended, I think sometime last year in November, because of 2 counts of attempted murder and the use of the negligent use of unlicensed firearm and GBH, which is grievous bodily harm. Why was that the case? Allegedly, Shebeshit was free shooting these 2 men in Ladana in Polokwane in October last year. This is the case that got him apprehended. But the problem is that when he got apprehended, the state wanted to add more charges, making them the total number of 9 charges with 3 charges of attempted murder. And then WADA is assault with GBH, assault with grievous body harm, negligent use of unlicensed firearm, possession of firearm, is it robbery with malicious intent? Many of them. And some of the charges were withdrawn at some point because of some mushigashiga that was happening. I think they're saying it was insecure. And then you wonder to yourself, why was Shebe denied bail? Because Shebe is not a first time offender. This is another thing. We cannot use that in a bail application, but he's not a first time offender. He's bound to make some mistakes. He's not gonna make mistakes, but he's bound to be doing something that is wrong because the investigative officer in that case has said was like the things that he using are actually affecting his ability to function. So he needs to be in custody so that he can be washed. And while in custody, he was found allegedly by Daily Sun, he was found with some. So yesterday, what he was in court for, he was not in court for another bail application. Remember that he applied for bail, which was denied, and then went to appeal at Polokwane High Court, I think, and that when it was dismissed, meaning that he will be attending trial from custody. You must understand that. So what is happening right now is that Shebe City is waiting for his official start of the trial, the date where the trial will start, which might happen this year in September or even next year in February, March. He was going on March the 26th for that because the state is saying that they're done with the investigation and they're ready to prosecute, unless otherwise someone say there's a new information that has been brought, so we need to investigate further or we need to do something. This is what I'm saying, and this is the facts of the case. You need to understand that nobody hates Shebe. It's just law. They always say that the hand of the law will reach you far, will reach you with your banks, with your money. So at this point, what are we waiting for? We're waiting for trial so that Shebe can be proven guilty, not guilty. If proven guilty, and then there will be a sentence. If proven not guilty, it means he'll be acquitted. But at this point, this is where we are. Are the facts of what's happening with Shebe shit. There's no bail. There's no nothing can happen at this point. We're waiting for trial. You should understand that. And the cases that Shebe has, the offenses, those are punishable offenses. But let me tell you something. There's no statutory law that states that attempted murder should be this years. What factors affect the sentencing? It will be the weapon that was used, which was an unlawful, unlicensed firearm that was used negligently, so right. These are 3 counts of attempted murder. Who used them? An offender. very known to be problematic. For what reasons? We don't know. Maybe he will explain. Maybe he was fearing for his safety. We don't know. You know what those meditating English factors. So he can go up to 25 years in prison, not up to, maybe. Like, you should look at the sentencing from a point of view of a law. You should go and read, actually, if you don't understand me. Because these are 3 counts of attempted murder and GBH, assault with GBH. Why one at a Do you understand what's going on here? Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment, and keep the comments respectfully. So if you don't, I'm not gonna see it. That's it. Any disrespect, I'm not gonna see it. You'll be wasting your data.